How to check for viruses on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. The single most important step in securing your device is to check for software updates. Inside Settings, tap on General and then tap Software Update. This screen will check if your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Keeping your software updated is the best way to protect yourself from security vulnerabilities. If an update is available, you should install it. If your software is already current, you can perform a privacy review. Go back to the main Settings menu, scroll down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Safety Check. This feature is designed to help you quickly review and reset the access you've granted to other people, apps, and devices. Using the emergency reset or manage sharing and access options can help you immediately revoke permissions. Following these steps, you can check for viruses on your iPhone.